Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to Lemon Tricks Under Short. So in this short, I'm gonna tell you about the distracted generation and the rest of the 1% generation, which is not distracted, which is focused. तो भाई सिंपल सी बात, आजकल टीनेज की लड़कियां 18, 19, 17, 13 गेम मान लो या 15 गेम मान लो, ठीक है, 15, 14 से मतलब टीनेज लगा लो. दे ड्रिंक, दे स्मोक, they go to party, they go to club, they time waste, they have lot of body counts, they have every bad thing. So it's like it is normal in this generation. तो भाई ये normal है generation में that they are like that. Yeah, they are like that, so they are like that. So nobody can like do anything if their father can't control them. Then who is mean then control them? I don't make this short for them. मैं तो ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ बहुत सिंपल कि in this generation the success rate is very very good. You can do anything greater, but you just have to put your camera on, put something on, put your work on, and don't be like a bitch who is like lusty for girls. Don't be a man who drink, don't be a man who smoke, don't be a man who go to club, don't be a man who is distracted, don't be a man who have lust, don't be a man who have a lot of lust and who cannot control his lust, don't be a man who have a body lust. Don't be a man like that, brother. So please don't be a man like that. If you are like that, then you are in the rest of the 99% generation. But if you are in the rest of the 1% generation, then you are great. Okay, you exercise, you put a skill, you have a YouTube channel, you have something skill, brother. That आपके पास पैसे की कभी कमी ना आए. अगर आपके सारे धंधे ही बंद हो जाए, मतलब बिजनेस भी बंद हो जाए, but it's like there is no shortage of money. So you just have to be on a skill like that. You just have to be above your standards. You just have to be disciplined. It's just teenage, brother. उसके बाद तो भाई इसकी आदत लग जाती है. फिर जो बंदा नशेड़ी है वो कभी अपना एडिक्शन छोड़ नहीं पाता, चाहे फिर वो किसी भी टाइप का, चाहे फिर वो नशे पत्ते से लेकर ड्रिंक से हो गए बैड वीडियोस देखने से, कोई भी टाइप का एडिक्शन हो. सो इट्स लाइक दैट. सो yeah, brother, if you want to be great, if you want to be the rest of the, if you don't want to be the rest of the 99% of generation, be the 1% who don't drink, who don't smoke, who just have good habits, who just want to do something for their family, for their parents, for their mom, for their dad. So if you understand, like I said, be the 1%.